All right, hello everybody. Hello, my fellow GPU miners. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'm just getting the channel going, and I appreciate all that. If you have a question, comment, or if you want me to look into a project, a GPU mine, please let me know. All right. Oh, one more thing. I wanted to get some feedback on a giveaway. I'm thinking about doing one. Let me know what you think about that. All right, today I'm going to talk about Meraki. Meraki, here I'm on their webpage, meraki.cash. Meraki is a self-funding and has no need to rely on volunteerism. The governance of Meraki, DAO, is fast, efficient, and very purposeful due to financial incentives. A cryptocurrency based on Bitcoin, the work of Satoshi Nakamoto, and Dash, the work of Evan Dovfield and Daniel Diaz, with a better and healthy distribution of the block reward and with a charity proposal system integrated. The specs are decentralized autonomous organization, primary focus, internet cash. So they're going to try to make Meraki a form of currency, I guess. Max supply 20 million. It's nice and low. I'm liking that. They do have master nodes. You need 1,000 Meraki to have a master node. Block time 2.5 minutes. Mining algorithm is X17. So let's go over X17 real quick. X17 algorithm, which is developed in 2014, is based on principles of classic X11 and consists of 17 different hashing functions for increased resistance to coin mining with ASIC miners. The coins that can be mined on X17 algorithm are Verge, Tcoin, Shield, Volvox, and other cryptocurrency, which is Meraki. Here's the review. You can go over it if you want to. It gets a little bit of technical detail. I will leave the link in the description. Okay, continuing on their website, block reward distribution, 10% to miners, 10% charity proposals, 60% masternodes, 20% Meraki network support proposals. Here's our social media links, and here's where you can download your wallet. Okay, you can click on masternode. If you're interested in getting a masternode, there's a calculator and a video on how to set it up. A proposal. If you have a proposal you want to give Meraki, I guess you can be rewarded for that. So when you get a chance, listen to the video, and it'll tell you how if you're interested. Here's the Explorer. And stats, dashboard for miners, blocks, payments, connect. So miners, not really much information there. Let's click on connect. Okay, here's some information. X17 algorithm, and mine with Nvidia GPUs using CryptoDredge. Well, that's one option. So website, not a lot of information, so let's go to the Discord. And you can see Discord and the latest information here, which came out last Wednesday. Meraki masternode now added on the largest masternode monitoring platform system, Masternodes Online. Let's backtrack. It's on Blockfolio. It's an account on GitHub. We are glad to announce that Meraki coin has been listed on Crex24 exchange. In case you're interested in that, you can buy some if you want. Okay, here's the roadmap. They should have this on the website, but it's on Discord. So here's what they've done. And what they're going to do, as you can see here, they want an iOS wallet in the first quarter of 2020, point of sale system integration, new exchange listings, white paper launch. So it looks like this project's kind of at its infancy here. Android wallet launch, second quarter of 2020, merchant adoption start. So you get an idea what they've been doing, what they're up to. Sounds like they're just starting, so probably might be a good time to start mining the coin. Might be able to get a lot since they're just starting. It's up to you though, it's just my opinion here. All right, so I'm going to use, before I do that, here's Meraki on CoinGecko. You can read about it here. It's currently at 5.5 cents. Still has very low trading volume. Low market cap. It's just starting out with 20 million coins. 5 cents is pretty low, in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section. There's some information here. You can read about it. There's a chart. And it looks like some exchanges, Crux24, Gravix. All right, let's go to Zerg pool. This is the pool I'm using. So you're going to put in X17 for the algorithm. MEK is the initials there. And my wallet address. You want to put your wallet address in there. And here out pops the command line. Very easy. So we're going to copy and paste that command line into Simplemining. And as you can see, I'm mining it. I'm using ccminer. So you go to ccminer, as you can see, it says X17. Very easy. You click on that. I'm using CUDA 9.1. And you copy and paste your command line right here. I usually put the name of the project here. Under description, I put the pool and what version of the mining program I'm using. In this case, ccminer, as you can see here. ccminer, Zerg pool, ccminer. And here is the command line here. And I'll put this on the descriptions in the video. A is algorithm, X17, server, port, and my wallet address. And C is the coin you're mining, MEK. Okay, so let's go to my rig list. And let's go to my heads-up display. As you can see, the command line is working and I'm getting shares. So that's going to be about it. Again, please subscribe, like, and share. Appreciate it. And if you have a question or comment, are you mining this project? Have you heard of it before? Does it interest you? Let me know what you think about it. Please subscribe, like, and share, as I said. I appreciate it. I'm just getting the channel going. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time,